Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Opulent Grandeur. Infusing your home with French Baroque splendor. Step into a world of dramatic elegance and theatrical luxury with French Baroque, an aesthetic born in the courts of the Sun King, Louis XIV. This style is a celebration of grandeur, characterized by its ornate details, rich textures, and a powerful sense of movement and drama. To capture its essence in a modern home, we turn to a regal color palette of jewel-toned emerald green, antique gold, and soft cream. Imagine this scheme brought to life through luxurious damask wallpaper, a quintessential Baroque pattern featuring elaborate scrolls and symmetrical motifs. This combination creates an atmosphere of sophisticated opulence that is both timeless and breathtaking. Let us guide you through transforming each room into a space fit for royalty. The exterior should set a grand and formal tone, hinting at the luxury within. Paint the main door a deep emerald green with gold-leafed hardware, and surround it with symmetrical manicured boxwood hedges. Incorporate gilded ironwork on gates and balcony railings to echo the ornate details of the period. Complete the look with classical stone statues and a central fountain, establishing a sense of order and majestic scale. Make a powerful first impression with an entryway that immediately declares the Baroque theme. Cover the walls in an emerald green damask wallpaper with a subtle woven gold thread. A grandiose gold-framed trumeau mirror above an ornate console table will amplify the light and sense of space. Anchor the room with a crystal chandelier and a sumptuous cream-colored rug to soften the dramatic tones. This is the heart of Baroque social grandeur, designed for both comfort and spectacle. Upholster a large, curvaceous sofa and armchairs in cream velvet or gold brocade, adorned with tasseled fringe. Gilded console tables, intricate mirror frames, and a marble fireplace surround will enhance the luxurious feel. Rich emerald green drapes tied back with thick gold tassels frame the windows and complete the theatrical ambience. Transform the bedroom into a lavish, private retreat worthy of royalty. An oversized, tufted headboard in emerald green velvet or damask fabric serves as the commanding focal point. Layer the bed with cream silk sheets, gold-embroidered throw pillows, and a faux fur blanket for ultimate indulgence. A cascading crystal chandelier and gilded sconces provide a soft, flattering light that enhances the room's intimate and opulent atmosphere. Create a space for feasts and festivities that exudes timeless elegance. A substantial darkwood dining table is paired with chairs upholstered in the signature emerald green damask. The walls are adorned with gold-framed classical art and a monumental mirror to reflect the glow of an ornate gold chandelier. Set the table with gold-rimmed china, crystal glassware, and cream-colored linens to complete the majestic setting. Introduce Baroque drama to the kitchen by blending modern function with classic opulence. Choose custom cabinetry painted in a deep emerald green, featuring ornate, gold-leafed hardware and moldings. A large cream-colored marble island provides a striking contrast and a practical workspace. Install a statement range hood and incorporate open shielding to display gold-rimmed dinnerware, marrying luxury with everyday life. Turn the bathroom into a personal spa reminiscent of the Palace of Versailles. Clad the walls in a water-resistant emerald green and cream damask print tile or wallpaper. A freestanding clawfoot tub with a gold finish becomes the centerpiece, complemented by a vintage-style gold faucet. Finalize the look with a gilded framed mirror, plush cream towels, and crystal decanters for a truly decadent bathing experience.